This ain't a fairy tale. This is raw, a story of a generation choked by the system's lies. Let me break it down. They called it order, sky-high rules chaining us down, generations trapped in loops, thinking deja vu was destiny. But I'm the black howl of midnight, a rebel seed sprouting from death's cracks, watered by blood of defiance. Love in forbidden zones. Yeah, I tasted it. Not some Romeo-Juliet crap, a political kiss that shook my bones. I ditched their fake symbols, saw the gap between their law and their guns. Their contracts, just morphine to numb us. Tried to squad up with the boys against the dads in power. Guess what? The dads and sons teamed up, kicked us down. Worlds collapsed. Stars died behind me. Every glance got shallower. Magic, gone. Just a hollow cliff now. From sin's dirty dance to the holy trinity of love, madness, and bare skin. My mind's a war zone. Boundaries shattered. One step from ruin. At the last supper of power, I sipped wine of whips and doubt. Wanted to expose the kings, but the crowd sold me out. Bullets tore my naked flesh, but my scream outroared the monsters. I'm no dead-eyed watchdog. I ain't chewing on their cage rules, and I'm here to smash traditions till the fakers bleed. We wreck the pillars of shame. Move aside, don't let the rubble crush you. Danger's our rhythm. Dance with us in the dark. Comedy of inequality, spit on their laws. I'm off their grid. History's idols framed our sins. Where to stash fake purity? Our chests scream red, streets run with blood. Honesty trembles, hyenas versus lions. You gotta go all in, no backup. Even my corpse won't shut up. Don't tame me. They drag me into their force-fed history, blind crowds gulping blessings from the sky. Earth and heaven's deal? To control chaos. But God died. Security crumbled. All that's left? Cowards fanning war's flames. Kiss me. I'm that wild stag. No fancy costumes. My turf's ruthless. That bullet tore through a cult leader's chest, but never landed. I chose rupture over their fake land. Maybe love's kiss is the last border. Culture versus nature's lava. All choices turn to chains. Make Judas sell time to poetry. Let our kisses reclaim every inch. Laugh loud. Get drunk on fear. But keep kissing in the crowd. Let our differences shame their fake unity. In the name of the broken, the addicted, the silenced. In the name of Middle East's dandelions lost in bloody headlines. In the name of chains we snapped. We die daily, but we rise. Always.